Karma Guy here. Are you ready for an amazing deal on a luxury performance SUV? Check out this 2012 BMW X5M. With an incredible dealer service history, including 41 records and a recent service valued at over $2,415, this vehicle is in top condition. Plus, it has current GA state emissions. This BMW is a dealer-certified pre-owned unit, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. But that's not all. At the time of sale, you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Want even more peace of mind? Ask about upgrading to our lifetime warranty option. Recent service includes spark plugs, a front lower control arm, 2 new TPMS sensors, and a fresh oil filter change. We understand buying a car is a big decision, so we encourage a pre-purchase inspection. But remember, any price reductions or discounts will void this vehicle's CPO status with its warranty and 5-year service plan, so keep that in mind. As they say, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Come see us today and drive home in this incredible BMW X5M.